Namudia kaime inukubelu kurusi kagega he died. I remember people filing past him and coming and giving their respect. And I closed the coffin and I walked my mum outside, and my mum in her sultry voice said to me, she said, "You sabe? I be one tempo you po cut hair bloem." I said, "You want me to cut my father's hair?" She said, "Yes." I said, "Mum, we've already closed the coffin." And then my mum started crying, so I went back inside, and there was a tall undertaker, or assistant undertaker there. His name was Stiffy. I said, "Stiffy, I need an envelope and a pair of scissors." And Stiffy was obliging, and we went back into where my father was laying and unscrewed the coffin, took the coffin lid off, and I looked down and I started laughing. And I think it was at this point Stiffy was thinking he was going to bitch slap me.